Rulefinder Shareholding Disclosure is an online service provided by aosphere. Rulefinder Shareholding Disclosure has an extensive country coverage and provides an unrivaled depth of analysis of the disclosure regimes relating to substantial shareholdings, sensitive industries, takeovers, issuer requests, and short selling. Our sources section provides access to detailed legal memoranda prepared by leading securities counsel, whose contact details are provided on the front page of each memoranda. We also include black lines from earlier versions and an overview for each country, together with links to the original source legislation and other useful documents such as disclosure forms and guidance. For more detail, our unique colour-coded traffic light system provides instant answers to complex questions, including a detailed analysis of exemptions and aggregation requirements. Aggregation includes looking at corporate structures as well as fund manager structures, which can be complex and vary considerably from one jurisdiction to another. Each data point has hyperlinks to the underlying memorandum. These levels of information, the overview, the traffic lights, the legal memoranda and the source legislation, allow answers to routine questions to be found quickly without losing the detail needed to analyse complex situations. Rulefinder also provides practical advice on how to complete and file the disclosure, together with a copy of the official disclosure forms and any guidance notes. Our proprietary daily monitoring and email alert service keeps you up to date with changes to the data contained within Rulefinder and provides an impact assessment of each alert. Subscribers can elect to receive email alerts for some or all countries by using the My Alerts feature. A comparison function allows subscribers to compare disclosure regimes across different jurisdictions and spot key differences at a glance, including the ability to export results to Excel. Our Initial Thresholds app also provides an at-a-glance view of key thresholds across the globe. A separate Foreign Investment Restrictions app provides an at-a-glance view of specific restrictions on investment in sensitive industries on both an individual and aggregate basis. Version control allows you to review earlier versions of data, which can be helpful when showing which data you are relying on at a specific point in time or reviewing reports which have been updated. Blacklined version changes can be viewed on screen or exported to Excel. Specific page links can be shared using this link or embedded in internal systems and processes. We also work with a range of RegTech providers who license our content to operationalise the data in a rules engine format. Please contact us for more information and a list of those vendors. Alongside Rulefinder, we also distribute a range of data services which can be added to your subscription, covering issuers coming on and off takeover lists, issuers in certain countries with lower limits in their articles of association, and FTP feeds of short selling data. This is an example of sample data relating to takeovers. For further information on how Rulefinder can help your business, a fuller demonstration from one of our senior lawyers, or a free trial, please contact us via the free trial form on our website at aosphere.com or email info@aosphere.com. Many thanks.